Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. This is the day. This is the day of Shri Pandit P K Kher, the legend of. I'll say that the legend of Radio Kashmir, the legend of Radio Kashmir, Shri P K Kher, who passed away, who just left for his heavenly abode in January 2006. In January 2006, 13 years back, and today, it is 30th January 2019, ladies and gentlemen. 30th January 2019, and there are some important rituals, there are some important things that need to be done. How you pay respects, how you pay regards to the living beings who have brought you to this world, and how you just cherish the values and of course the morals that they stood for. So how exactly we do in Kashmiri Pandits all these things on the Nirvana day, on the day of passing away from this world, to our elders, to our parents, how exactly we do it. This is very important. We need to know. And just see, ladies and gentlemen, to begin with, it is the falmool. Falmool. You have to just give it to the poor, to the mansaun asan. Mansaun asan. Okay, you have to give it to the poor. This is falmool. You need to just keep everything. Of course, there the radish is very important. This radish is muj, and then the rice, but chawal चाहिए. Then of course this is banana, this is zoot, apple, this is orange, and of course noon is very important. Noon means salt, and give the dakshina. So ladies and gentlemen, this is the complete that you need to just give away to the poor or Guruji on this very important day, because when we are in exile for the last 29 years, it of course it pains us a lot. We are away from our homeland Kashmir, so there it used to be given to the Guruji, but we don't no longer have the Guruji here. So ladies and gentlemen, this has to be given to the poor, maybe security guard or some person away in the of course you can give in the temple also. That's very important, ladies and gentlemen. On after this is also one of the very important rituals, means अच्छा आसान ददानी करो. Just if you don't know something more, just take means some small water, and then say dadani, and then of course just before eating anything, before taking anything, you need to just give it away. That is what I understand in very very simple terms. I'm not a very expert, I don't know. I need to know and just have respect and regards for the departed soul, who was of course the most gentleman that I have seen ever, and I have all my heart's love and affection. So this you are saying, this is sabudan. Sabudan, ladies and gentlemen, is sabudan cha asan bat khyon. So in the morning before eating anything, as I told you, that this has to be given away. This is falmool, and of course afterwards, after doing this dadani, this water, and then you need to take this sabudana is very important for फाक खतर छु ये बड़ा ज़रूरी आसान. And ladies and gentlemen, let us just see that what else is there which needs to be done. Of course, we have started with our father in the beginning, and then let us see what's the most important thing, because before you just take anything, ladies and gentlemen, eat anything, you need to just prepare today the things that the departed soul has loved. And of course this is very important. You need to just see that this is very important, ladies and gentlemen. This is Rogan Josh, and of course this is it's a very staple diet of Kashmiri Pandits, of rather whole of Kashmir. This is, ladies and gentlemen, this is sani aske dapan hawk, manje, and of course you need to keep it for the birds before eating anything. That's very important, ladies and gentlemen. God bless you, God bless you. Thank you, thank you very much. God bless you, thank you. It's of course a very sad day, but then a bright day, because everybody who has come in this world has to go one day or the other, because we are all mortals. Man is mortal for the last millions and billions of years. So cherish the values that our elders stood for and just pass their life very happily. Thank you very much. God bless you. God bless you.